Got that one on film.
No, I stopped it.
Oh. Dang it. What? That's nothing.
It's like, I'll do a dance for the camera.
Do a little dance.
I can't believe he's still watching. Will you turn that light on?
Which one? Yeah, he'll roll over when that light comes on.
Ta-da! Then God made light. Showing everybody your belly. Do a dance. Dance. Yeah. Shirt's almost too small for you. Take you, whatever. I'll go 80s style. No, that's Mickey. I bet he wants to see his girlfriend.
It's kind of like Minnie. Except for without the bow.
And the dress.
And the dress. Hey, Michael. He's gonna be like 5, and we're gonna be like, no, seriously, he can roll over.
Just watch. Click. The guy can dance, see? Woo!
Dance, dance.
Dance revolution.
Alright, we're gonna turn you around here.
Hi. That looked like the Little Rascals high sign.
It's the high sign.
Yeah. Are you a He-Man woman hater, Michael? I don't know about that. Whee! Good job. You almost did a somersault.
He's like, oh, want to try a second one? Nope, ain't gonna work.
Yeah, you did good, buddy. It took us 5 minutes to get it, but we finally got it. And like 500 tries. Good job. Who was that? It's like, now I'm gonna cry.
I didn't deserve a spanking.
Bite him. Arr.
Oh, you silly boy. You silly boy. You just want to be on your back. You just want to be on your back.
It's like, no. Really, I don't.
No? You don't want to be on your back? You don't want to be on your back?
It's like, you're so mean, Dad.
All you can do is roll over again.
Good job. Woohoo!
Reminds me of that YouTube video with the kid that would like throw himself on the floor and...
Oh, yeah. He was doing that today whenever I'd walk by and he'd see me and he'd go, "Wah." And then when I'd walk away, he'd calm down and get quiet and start playing, and then he'd see me again.
Daisy, somebody needs kisses.
Don't. I know where that tongue's been. Off the blanket. He loves Daisy for some reason. Maybe it's the Zug Zug face. leave the boy alone.
Giddy up, Michael.